Labeled as a site of excellence for its project Energy and Environment Solutions, E2S, the University of Pau and Pays de la Dour strongly supports the entrepreneurial spirit. The example of Advanced Isotopic Analysis, which is a young startup resulting from a research transfer, is quite interesting in this respect. With the CNRS, the National Center for Scientific Research, we support it through various collaborations, in particular through access to the UPPA's instrumental power through UPPA-Tech, the UPPA's instrumental services platform.
Our core activity is to provide advanced chemical analysis, so more precisely measuring isotopic composition. These are based on a result of research from Pau University, more specifically from the IPREM Institute, where I used to work during the last 14 years. Advanced Isotopic Analysis, AIA, is a 100% private company and is a spin-off from University of Pau and CNRS. We are located here in Pau, in the south of France. We are now 5 persons working here, and we own our own lab and own instruments. We founded the company at the origin in 2017, together with a researcher from CNRS, Olivier Donat, and 2 English entrepreneurs. Then at the end of 2021, we had new partners coming in, and we have successfully accomplished fundraising, our first fundraising, with local business angels. So why such advanced analysis are made for? So we are now currently talking to a different market sector, and the first of them is the agri-food sector. Here we are able to bring information about the geographical origin and the authenticity of different products. This clearly helps our customer to fight against fraud and to fight against counterfeiting. So this can be, as for example, in the wine sector in France. So we are working with premium champagne brands and prestigious Bordeaux chateau. But also we are working with everyday life products such as cereal, like rice or wheat or vanilla or even tea. Another market we are assessing is the energy market, more specifically with the oil and gas industry. Here, the isotopic analysis, for example, of rocks or waters can bring very interesting information to study reservoir of oil. And also in the frame of energy market, we are starting to work on lithium isotopes that can bring very interesting information for determining the origin of the lithium ores used in the battery manufacturing. So at the origin, in the IPREM, we were conducting research on environmental studies. So this is very natural that now we are trying to answer some answer for this market, the market of environmental analysis. Here we can use isotopic analysis to try to find the origin and the fate of pollution in the environment, more specifically heavy metal pollution. So we are naturally talking to researchers, but also to big companies that are using this tool to try to better understand their domain of responsibility when it comes to pollution. And finally, of course, we have other markets we are working in, try to prospect, and these are mainly, for now, cosmetics and pharmaceutical industry. We kept from day one a very strong link with the university and public institution. All our adventures have been structured together with the CNRS, but also with the Aquitaine Science Transfer. We are now focusing most of our energy in our commercial developments, which is, I would say, not really instinctive for a researcher. And this is, to me, maybe one of the biggest challenges for a spin-off, is to make the transition between the research and the industry, to make a transition between a researcher and an entrepreneur. So our original goal is to bring results from research to industry, and of course now is to grow as a company and maybe in the future to create new highly qualified jobs to which maybe future graduate students from university can apply. And yes, this sounds like a good plan for the future to continue our synergy with the University of Pau.
In coherence with the national policy through the France 2030 project, UPPA will continue to stimulate the entrepreneurial spirit in close collaboration with all the innovation actors on its territory. For example, by the creation of a university innovation pole gathering all the territorial innovation actors in order to contribute to the good health of the territorial and national economy.